chicken. She's not chicken. When you're gonna let her take care of you? Look at him like hiding behind her. Oh, listen to you, lady.
That is great.
He's like, I'm not.
Good going, Cookie.
You got him, Cookie.
Protect the home front.
Yeah, you did. This is your island. First.
Yeah.
I know. We'll go. Just you be patient, buddy.
Oh, Ty, be quiet. You want a treat? We're staying here. We're not going anywhere. Your brother's having fun.
Come on, big dog.
Favorite
Of course.
Sit.
It's probably her feeding time anyway.
Good girl. Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Here he comes.
Ever sit. Ever. He's too distracted. Sit. Cookie, sit. Sit. Sit.
Ever sit.
Good girl.
She'll shake too.
Oh,
Ever.
really?
Down. Down.
Good boy. That's a good dog. That's enough for now, you guys. Oh, no. Now Ty's moving over there.
He's gonna start climbing the rocks.
God. That is great.
Does she have spots on her tongue, too?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Oh my God, that dog is just like, I think that dog's gotta be like, he's got way too much energy. Or like 1 or 2, probably.
Oh, this is great. They were good together.
I know. You make him go that way, I'll make him go this way. Well, what were they? They were herding the Formosa Mountain Dogs. It wasn't cattle. It was they were herding dogs, weren't they? Some sort of
And hunting dogs.
and hunting dogs.
They're good at
like waterfowl or something, right?